Guys, got another neat little life hack here for you on how to clean a shower head. So you can see here our shower head's pretty nasty. That's from all the well water and mineral deposits. But it's not junk. It actually works fine. It just needs to be cleaned. And the best way to clean this that I found out is to get a small bucket, put about 2-3 inches of white distilled vinegar in there, and let it soak for about an hour or two. I do this about once a year or so just to kind of keep my shower head working properly and to clean it so it doesn't look so nasty. I normally just buy the cheapest white vinegar I can find, but that's the tip. I hope it helps.